Clayton are in. It's 5:30 in the morning. Gonna get the 180 loaded up. Head to Oshkosh.
Grand Junction over to Airport, information. Tango, 1153 Zulu, 1080 at 12, visibility 10, smoke, skies clear. Temperature 21, dew point 07, altimeter tree 006, visual approaches, runway 11 in use. Charlie Chris Tower, runway 11, clear for takeoff, traffic, airborne, midfield, Cessna.
Welcome to Laramie. Waiting on the low clouds across the front range. We got all the Spirit airplanes rolling in. That's pretty cool. Forgot my pillow. You forgot, dude. We've talked about pillows and towels for like 2 weeks. Pretty cool Spirit airplanes. You'll see these four in Oshkosh. They've been kind of keeping it low key, but these guys are at a junction. Pretty sweet little airplanes. Runway 2. Heading to Oshkosh. Some gas. And head out, couple hour flight into the arrival.
Oshkosh is landing runways 27 and 36 this afternoon. It's almost this afternoon. 36 and 27. 36 is hard surface turnoff, so we need a mile and trail. The starting point is still Green Lake, and a lot of people joining from the west and the south of Green Lake, so head on a swivel, find an aircraft similar type and speed to follow a mile and trail, and 1,800 feet and 90 knots. If you are unable to do 90 knots, you have to go faster. You can climb up to 2,300 feet and 135 knots. We'll give you descent at or beyond Fisk as you head into the airport. I got a high wing, half mile southwest of Fisk. Rock your wings. Good, Rock. What runway would you like?
I would take 36.
All right, for the high wing over Fisk, you can make the right turn now. Due eastbound, 090 on the heading, directly over that east-west road. Keep the microwave tower off your right-hand side. You'll be on a left base for runway 36. Monitor tower 126.6. Is there a flight of 4 high wings between Ripon and Fisk?
Flight 4.
Roger. The flight of 4, can you give me about 15 more knots for the flight of 4?
Yeah, increase?
Increase for the flight of 4, please.
All right, here it comes.
My flight of 4 that I had increased, which runway are you going to want when you get here?
36.
Roger. And my flight of 4, you can go ahead and start a gradual right turn to the east. 090 on the heading, get over that east-west road, keep the microwave tower off your right. Once you roll out on that eastbound heading, you can slow it back down to 90 knots. RV,
Here comes turn.
2,300, rock your way. Good rock for the RV. You can start the descent down to 1,800, continue over the railroad tracks for runway 27. Right downwind, turn that over the south side of that gravel pit for a close-in right downwind. The RV can monitor tower 118.5 for runway 27.
My speed's going up.
By flight of 4, once you roll out again, slow it back down to 90 knots, over the road, left base runway 36, monitor tower 126.6. Welcome to Oshkosh.
Okay.
Clear your land on the right side of the skinny runway, please. Runway 36 right, clear to land after the red square. You're going to be rolling all the way in, so feel free to keep it up so you don't have to taxi so far. After the red square, clear to land.
Cessna, half mile southwest Fisk, rock your way. Good rock for the Cessna. What runway would you land?
Well,
all right, continue over the railroad track.
Top to please, 1,800 feet. We'll sign a runway once to get here. Cessna there, about to turn final. If you want the left side, we can do that now. Would you like the left side?
That's fine. Yeah, we'll take left.
Okay, front to left, that's fine. You're fine behind that flight. You can start that left turn, clear to land, purple dot. Flight, just roll off all the way in. Flight, just roll off all the way in the 1/8 and follow the flagman. Welcome. Just taildragger mile south of the tower there. I see you kind of low. That's fine. Runway 36 left, clear to land, purple dot. Is this a flight of 4 out here south of the tower?
Yeah, that's us. Sorry, I did a descent just to get them out of my wake there.
Yeah, it's not a problem. Your flight of 4 is just fine. 36 left, clear to land at or after the purple dot. Wind 100 at 7. Is it a beautiful flight here?
Oh, it's great coming from Colorado.
Nice, Colorado, nice.
Our 16th or 17th year here.
That's awesome. I only got 14. You guys got on top of me, thanks.
Thanks for your support, man.
Everybody leaving 5th there, just continue on that east-west road. We'll pick you up just south of the tower, type and color. I'm doing 36 right and left today. Most of our we're landing on the left. And we'll pick you out here south of the tower. Keep the altitude 800 feet. If I need you to descend, I'll let you guys know. And we'll see you here in just a moment. Wind right now, 100 at 8. Nice job as you guys are touching down the grass. You have to be north of the yellow dot to get in the grass, so get north of the yellow dot before you can start using grass. If you're south there, it has to be hard surfaces. We're not quite dry enough yet from the wonderful rains we've had the last few days. So north of the yellow dot, you make left in the grass there. Follow the flag, and welcome guys.